Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a modern software solution that is entirely cloud-based. One of its greatest advantages is that you don't need to keep your computer or mobile phone connected to the internet at all times in order to use it. When it comes to feature, this software offers a wide range of advanced capabilities. For example, it allows you to carry out WhatsApp marketing, enabling you to send bulk messages to thousands of recipients with ease. In addition, it also supports SMS marketing. One of its most outstanding features is its AI powered chatbot. With the help of artificial intelligence, you can automate your customer support. The chatbot communicates just like a real customer service representative, understand customers' queries, and provides accurate and relevant responses. Furthermore, the software can be integrated with your website if you wish to connect it with a third-party system or your own custom application. Comprehensive API documentation is also available. It also supports webhooks, allowing you to create automated workflows and real-time integration between different systems. Now, let me give you a brief overview of the software so that you can easily understand its interface and core features. This is the software dashboard. Here you can view all the important information in one place, such as the total number of messages sent, the number of messages received, and other key activities taking place within the system. If you want to send bulk messages, this is the section where you will manage the entire process. Before you can start sending bulk messages, you first need to connect your Android phone and the WhatsApp number you want to use with the software. To do this, navigate to the post section, then select WhatsApp. Here you can see that I have already connected one of my WhatsApp number. This account is already connected. If you want to connect a new WhatsApp number, simply click on Add Account. Then click Link Account and a QR code will appear. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Link Devices and scan the QR code. Once you scan it, your WhatsApp number will be successfully connected to the software. After the connection is complete, go to the Edit section. Here, disable the Receive Read option and disable the other option as well. Next, set the time gap which determines the delay between two consecutive messages. I recommend setting it between 120 and 200 seconds to ensure safe and smooth messages delivery. Now, you also need to connect your Android phone. To do this, click Add Device, then click Download. Install the application on your Android phone. Once the installation is complete, open the app and scan the QR code displayed here. Your Android phone will then be connected to the software. Any bulk campaigns you run will be managed from this section. The process is almost identical for both WhatsApp and Android devices. Now, let me show you how to create and run a WhatsApp campaign. As you can see, I already have several campaigns here. If you contact numbers and save in a text file, you can simply copy and paste them into the software. If you have your contacts in an Excel spreadsheet, you can upload the Excel file directly. A sample file is also available. You can download it, enter your contact data in the required format, and upload it back into the software. Now, I'll create a sample campaign to demonstrate the complete process. Please note that every phone number must include the correct country code. Without the country code, the software will not send any messages. Next, select the WhatsApp account from which you want to send the messages. Below that, you will find the available message templates. In this section, you simply type your message. Below it, you'll find the syntax options. These are designed to help reduce the chances of your messages being flagged as spam. You'll also see several short codes available. For example, when you send a message, the software can automatically insert the recipient's contact name along with other details such as date, time, and additional dynamic information. If you'd like to send media files or documents, you can do that as well. Once everything is ready, simply click send. As you can see, the message was delivered instantly because I entered only one phone number. Let me open the messenger and show you the result. Here you can see that the message has been sent successfully. In addition, you can schedule WhatsApp messages and explore many other useful features available in the software. You can also export your data whenever needed. If you encounter any issues while using the software, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp. We'll be happy to provide complete guidance and support. You can also create and save message templates. If there's a message you frequently send to multiple people, simply click Add Templates, create your template, and save it for future use. Now, let me show you the most important feature of this software. It's AI chatbot. The AI chatbot can be configured from the options section. Inside this menu, you can create or customize your entire AI system according to your requirements. Before setting up the chatbot, you will need to add an artificial intelligence API key. Let me show you where to do that. Scroll down to AI section where you can enter your API key. You can also add plugins if you want to extend the chatbot functionality. The plugin options are available here as well. In my case, I simply need to enter my AI API key in this section and the chatbot will be ready to use. Now, let me show you how to set it up. Click on Add API and you'll see a list of all the available AI providers. Most of the providers currently require a paid subscription. However, Google Gemini AI is available free of charge, so I'll use that for this demonstration. Let me explain how you can obtain a Gemini API key. If you need help generating any of these API keys, we'll provide you with complete guidance throughout the process. I have already created an API key, so I'll simply paste it here. Now, let me explain a few important settings. First, enter any name you like for your AI configuration. Then, select the AI provider you want to use. You can choose whichever provider best suits your needs. Once you selected the provider and added your API key, there are two extremely important sections: initial prompt and post prompt. These two prompts define how your AI chatbot behaves. In the initial prompt, you should describe your business, your brand, and the way you want to chatbot to interact with customers. You should also specify how the chatbot should answer different types of questions. For example, you can provide sample questions along with the exact style or format you want the AI to use when responding. You should also include instructions about your customer service approach, communication style, and any other important guidelines you want the chatbot to follow. In addition, you should provide detailed information about the services or products your business offers. As you can see, these two sections are the most important part of the entire setup. Make sure you include all the essentials detail about your business. The software will read this information using AI allowing your chatbot to respond to the customers accurately and guide them automatically. Keep in mind that you should not just write the random text here. The better and more detailed your instructions are, the more accurate, professional, and helpful your AI chatbot responses will be. The AI will automatically use the instructions you have provided to respond to your customers in a professional and natural way. It will communicate with them intelligently and handle their queries just like a real customer support representative. For this demonstration, I have already entered for sample instruction and now I'll show you how it works with a live test. I've only added some basic information for now. We'll also guide you on how to create professional prompts and templates for the best results. Once everything is configured and the API key has been added, simply click Submit. I will also provide complete guidance on how to obtain your API key if you need help with that. Next, go to the Options section and open Quick Replies. Here, select your WhatsApp account and choose the Artificial Intelligence option. Then, select the same Gemini AI configuration that we created earlier. If you would like to extend the chatbot's functionality, you can also add plugins using the plugins option available below. We'll guide you through the process as well. Now, I'll click Submit. As you can see, my AI chatbot has been configured successfully. Let's test it by sending a message from another WhatsApp number to see how the chatbot responds. I'll simply send the message "Hi." As you can see, the message has been received, and here is the AI's reply. Since I had already provided detailed instructions about my business, explaining that we sell AI chatbots, the system automatically generated a professional response. It even includes an invitation for the customer to request a free trial or a demo video, exactly as instructed in the prompt. I only sent a simple hi message, yet the AI chatbot automatically understood the context and replied using the business information and instructions I had previously provided. I sent this message from my own secondary WhatsApp number just for testing purposes. Now, let me show you the exact instructions and business detail that I entered into the AI prompt so you can understand how the chatbot generated this response. As you can see, I only wrote two simple lines in the AI prompt, yet the AI generated a much longer, more detailed and professional response on its own before sending it to the customer. That's the power of AI built into this software. I have already explained the AI chatbot feature. If you would like to integrate it with your website, you can easily do that as well. Simply download the required plugins from the plugin section. If you are using WooCommerce, you can install the WooCommerce plugin and integrate the chatbot directly into your website. Once integrated, the AI can automatically handle customer conversations, answer product related questions, assist visitors, and even manage order confirmation and other customer support tasks. That was just a quick overview of the software. If you are interested in purchasing it or would like to watch a detailed step-by-step tutorial, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp. We will guide you through the entire process and provide you with the complete video tutorial. If you face any issues or there's anything you don't understand, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We will provide complete guidance and make sure everything is explained clearly. The software is actually very easy to use. However, even if you encounter the smallest issue, our support team is always available to help you and ensure you get everything working properly. Thank you very much for watching this video. We truly appreciate your time and support. We look forward to helping you get started with the software.